I came here to hopefully cure a disease that I couldn't find answers for back in the States. It's been since 1993 that I've been searching for answers. So that's why I came here. This was kind of, I've had all the tests done, blood work, again, MRIs, every diagnostic you could think of, and just couldn't find out what was happening. So I had 3 IV stem cell treatments. I had 3 hyperbaric chamber treatments. I had 3 bioregulatory IV treatments. Oh, I'm sorry, I had my neck worked on. God, thank you for reminding me. Yesterday, I'd injured my neck a few years ago, went through all of the nerve block needles, 7 or 8 of them, went through, tried some occipital nerve blocks, and I actually went for the test runs for nerve ablation in my neck, and that didn't work out because I still had pain after the ablation. So that was another reason to come here, because I wasn't getting rid of this neck injury. So I had the stem cells yesterday put in between my cervical, right? I want to be careful here, but I honestly think I have felt a difference. And the reason I can say this is if I was at home, I gotta be careful, but I use cannabis as my form of medication for my pain, for my appetite, for my sleep. If I don't have that at home, it's a vicious cycle. I can hardly stay out of bed. It's, from the bed, up a couple minutes, maybe a half hour, then back laying in bed. And it just repeats itself all day long. Since I've been here and received the treatment, that hasn't happened. I've been, up all day long. I haven't felt the need to lay down. I don't feel the tightness and the extreme pulling that like my body does to me. So again, being cautious here, I do think I have seen improvement already. And talking on the phone with my wife, she kind of feels the same thing. The mall is nice, very big. The hotel is nice. The people are great. The people are great here at the clinic. It's just been an all-around great experience, really. The staff is awesome. The facilities are awesome. I really do like the people here. I think that I would like to come back. I don't know how well I'm going to give this time, but to bring my wife back, to bring my mom, it's really been a pretty wonderful experience. Just to be able to sit here and talk to you and not be tight, not be complaining, not be in just extreme amounts of pain and tightness, it's pretty amazing.